Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. I am Mrs. Kala. I am going to teach physical science for 8th standard. In the previous two videos, already we have discussed the fundamental quantities. The fundamental quantities are mass, length, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity is needed. So in the second video we have discussed the four fundamental quantities and also in the units. Now let us move on to the another topic of the measurement lesson. First we are going to discuss plane angle, and second we are going to discuss solid angle. Third we are going to discuss a difference between plane angle and solid angle, and fourth one we are going to discuss clocks. So these are the objectives of this video. Now let us move on to plane angle. A plane angle is the angle between the intersection of two straight lines or intersection of two planes is called as plane angle. The SI unit is radian. It is denoted by the symbol is RAD. So now let us consider say two planes. Now the two planes are intersect to each other. It makes a smallest angle theta. It is described in the figure. It's needed. So let us consider say two planes. Now these two planes are intersection to each other, and afterwards only it makes an angle. This angle is called as plane angle. So next we have to move on to what is the unit of the plane angle. The unit of the plane angle is radian. So we could able to define radian also. So the angle subtended at the center of the circle. So already you know the circle and also what is radius also. The angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc. See this figure also, it's a green color is given as so this portion only is taken as a radius. So the circle by an arc whose length is equal to a radius of the circle. This value will be is equal to 1 radian. So the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. So we could able to find out what is the 1 radian value also. So pi radian is equal to 180 degree. It makes an angle. 1 radian is equal to 180 degree divided by pi. If you know the angle values is how much angle which will be subtended, we could able to find out the 1 radian values also. So 1 radian is equal to 180 degree divided by pi. I hope students you understood what is plane angle and what is the definition of 1 radian. So next we got to move on to the another topic is taken as a solid angle. So what is plane angle? The angle between the intersection of two straight lines or two planes is called as what? Plane angle. But the solid angle is slightly differ. The angle between the three or more lines or planes are intersecting at a common point. It makes an angle. This angle is called as solid angle. Let us consider here what? Let us consider this figure also. let us consider the three planes are the x, y and z planes are intersecting on a one this circular object also. So here the theta is taken as a plane angle. It forms the angle between the two planes only. One is taken as a z plane and another one is taken as a x plane. It makes an angle. It is denoted by the symbol is theta. This is taken as a plane angle. And see, one more angle also is forming here. This is taken as a x plane and this is taken as a y plane, and in between one more plane also is coming. It based on the object. It makes a smallest angle. This angle is called as solid angle. It is denoted by the symbol is pi. So what is solid angle? The angle formed by three or more planes intersecting at a common point. This is the O is taken as a common point. A SI unit of the solid angle is radian. It is denoted by the symbol is SR. What is the unit of solid angle? Radian. It is denoted by the symbol is SR. So next we got to move on to what is the definition of radian. So the radian is the solid angle at the center of the sphere subtended by a portion whose surface area is equal to square of its radius of the sphere. So let us consider the three or more planes are intersecting. It passes through the circular object. In this place we have to consider the smallest portion. So based on the plane angle, we could able to take as this is the arc of the radius, isn't it? So in this arc of the radius, it forms as a sphere shape also. You see the figure, it's given as a colored portion, that is a blue color. This is taken as a sphere in shape. In this point only, it gives us a certain angle also. This portion of the surface area is equal to the square of the radius value. The square of the radius value only is given us, and that is the 1 meter square. So the 1 radian is nothing but the solid angle at the center of a sphere subtended by a portion whose surface area is equal to square of its radius. The square of the radius value is taken as what? That is a 1 meter square. So let us consider the radius of the sphere is 1 meter. So it gives us a square of its radius of the sphere. So first we discussed what is plane angle, and second we discussed what is solid angle and its unit. So next we got to move on to what is the difference between plane angle and the solid angle. So plane angle between the intersection of two lines or planes. Then what is solid angle? Angle between the intersection of three or more planes at a common point. And the plane angle is two-dimensional because we are using two lines or two planes only. But solid angle is three-dimensional. It's acting 3 points or 3 lines are intersecting at a common point. So it undercomes the three-dimensional. The plane angle, the unit is radian. Solid angle, the unit is radian. It is an important 2-mark question. Write the difference between plane angle and solid angle. So plane angle between the two lines. Solid angle between 3 or more lines or planes. Plane angle, it is two-dimensional. What about solid angle? It is three-dimensional. What is the unit of plane angle? Radian. What is the unit of solid angle? Radian. Are you understand, ma'am? So up to the solid angle, we discussed the fundamental quantities are in the base quantities only. Until 1995, plane angle and solid angle were classified under the supplementary quantities only. In 1995, they were shifted to derived quantities. So first 4 we discussed the fundamental quantities, and the last 2, I mean the plane angle and the solid angles, are taken as a derived quantities only. Are you understand, students? Okay. Students, what and all we discussed in this video? First we started the what is plane angle, what is solid angle, a definition of radian, a definition of stadian, and what is the difference between the plane angle and solid angle. In the clock topic we will discuss in the next video.